The Legal Lowdown is brought to you by the PENDAS Law Firm.
Well, if you are a First Coast Living viewer, you know that every week we get some great legal tips and advice from the PENDAS Law Firm. So today we are actually here at the firm with Lou PENDAS and Hayes Mathis, who's the managing attorney here in the Jacksonville office. Thank you so much for having us. You're really easy to locate right here on Beach Boulevard in kind of the St. Nicholas area. Beautiful firm, and you know, there's really a great feeling when you walk in the door, from the receptionist who greets you to coming back here and speaking with you guys. It's kind of got a little bit of a family feel.
Yeah, very much so, and we take a great deal of pride in that. I mean, we're very family oriented to begin with, so that is passed on to our clients. We welcome them, we help them, we feel very much obligated in making sure that they're taken care of. And that really goes back to why we started this firm years ago to begin with. You know, 20 years ago, when I was a young attorney, I actually started representing the insurance companies.
The other side.
The other side, the dark side, I like to jokingly say. And I did that for years, and quite honestly, I just, after a while, I realized that it wasn't really providing the type of satisfaction that I was looking for in a career. I sat across many of accident victims, and my entire job was to protect the insurance company and to keep as much money away from the claimant as possible, even though I knew in my mind and heart that that person deserved a lot more money. I basically was paid by the insurance company to keep them from collecting any money or as very little as possible. That just rubbed me the wrong way, and I built a passion to transform myself, and I very quickly learned that, quite honestly, it wasn't the insurance company that I wanted to represent. I wanted to represent the victim, because they're the ones who are very much in need. They're the ones who have been hurt. And I knew that what the insurance companies were doing was just absolutely wrong.
And Hayes, you're part of this team, and let's get to know you. You got your sleeves rolled up, you're ready to get in there and get to work. Let's talk a little bit about your background and what you specialize in here.
Okay, well, I'd say I've basically lived in the North Florida area most of my life. I'm born in Alabama, so I'm a Southern guy. But my background, I started out of law school here in Jacksonville at a defense firm like Lou did. And I did it for about a year, and I realized also the same thing, that I felt more passionate about helping people than a company's bottom line. Now, an insurance company's bottom line. I was a solo practitioner for a little while, and then I came here to manage the office here. And I'd say my favorite part about it is when you hear from a client how you help them, especially if, you know, when you're done with their case and they come back and they really make an effort to say, you really helped me get through a very tough time. So that's what makes it actually really rewarding. So I really like, you know, what I do here. And Lou said earlier that we are a family feel. If you come here, you deal with me. I'm going to be your lawyer. And we have a great team here to help out any way anybody needs.
And let's talk about the areas of law that you specialize in, so folks know why they should be calling you.
That's exactly right. Well, you could go to pendaslaw.com, and there is a variety. There's actually on our front page where you can click on the section of practice areas, and you'll see exactly what we do, but it involves auto accidents, product liabilities, wrongful death, medical malpractice. It really runs the gamut, personal injury protection, litigation, insurance claims, and so on and so on. So every facet of civil tort litigation is what we do. And let me take this opportunity to go back when we started the segment about my days representing the insurance companies. I have no regrets of having done that, because I learned every trick in the book, and by representing those insurance companies and the things that they do to keep them from having to pay out legitimate claims to our now clients. So I have used that knowledge to benefit thousands of accident victims that are now being represented by us to make sure that the insurance company doesn't get away with any of those dirty tricks.
And Hayes, you're here in the Jacksonville office, and you've got several offices throughout Florida. Can you just kind of give folks an idea of where you're located?
Everywhere from Jacksonville down to Miami. We have offices in Orlando, Tampa, Fort Myers, Bradenton, Daytona, West Palm, Fort Lauderdale, and Miami. So it's 9 offices altogether, and I believe we're in the process of opening up in Ocala. So there's some breaking news there.
So there you go. Well, thank you both so much. It was really great to get the opportunity to get to know you both and the passion and the inspiration behind the law firm. And as you heard Lou mention, if you'd like to read more about the locations or the different areas of law that they specialize in, you can go ahead and check out pendaslaw.com. Or better yet, just give them a call at 904-800-0000. That's 904-800-0000. Call, make an appointment, come in, talk to them yourself. They're really a great organization here, and they really do make you feel very welcome and very at home, and they're here to help.